What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Discord a fatal JavaScript error occurred and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one, just go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click over here. And right now if you find the Discord is running over here in the background, just remove the Discord, and that's all you have to try. Once afterwards, just close this and go back over here, search for add or remove programs and click on this one. And right now go over here in the apps, top over here at the search for Discord over here at the top, click on three dot menu and go for uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, you have to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about just search here for the CMD and click on run as administrator and go for yes. Right now we need to type gp update, put a space /force and press enter. So we just need to wait because it's going to update it, and once it's successfully updating is successfully done, all we have, just as you'll be getting a message like computer policy update has completely successful. Now we need to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for the run command, and you have to click on this one. And right now go for the %app data % and go for OK. And right now click on the Discord over here at the top, and we need to delete it. Make sure that you have to delete it. Once afterward, just go back over here in the just close this and go over here on the run command. Once again go for the run, right click on this one, and from here over here we need to type %local app data. So just search %local app data and press enter. Go for the Discord over here, right click on the Discord and right click on this one and go for the delete icon. Now we need to go back to the Google Chrome and just try downloading the Discord from the Google Chrome, and that's what you have to try. Most probably it will be completely fixed, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.